Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do a shave video just because it's Sunday shave. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Oh yes, it is that time, guys and gals. It is time for a shave. Today's shave is going to be a shave soap by Through the Fire, and this is Thunderbird. Now, the scent profile on this makes me a little nervous, and I will put a description right there. But I'm picking up a citrus spice, and that's the part that makes me nervous because I'm allergic to oranges. Some sandalwood and amber, and here is what the soap looks like in the pour. Now, this shave is somewhat inspired by Ben over at the Soap Thing. Here shortly, he will be deploying, and Through the Fire is a soap that he loves. So I'm going to get that whipped up, and I'll be right back. And I have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, along with my Semouge Boar brush, and I used a 1/4 teaspoon. Look at that, I'm losing a hair. It's getting old. I used a 1/4 teaspoon of soap and 10 milliliters of water. Now, I have never used this soap before, and so this will be something new for me. I don't believe that you can get this soap any longer. It was gifted to me in one of my mystery / swap boxes. And before we get too involved in the shave for today, I'm going to do this to you. Stick around to the end of the video because I have an important announcement. But now that that is done, trust me, there will be no sting if you wait until the end of the video. It's worth it. I'm telling you, it's worth it. All right, and let's see here. Oh, yes. The razor for the day is by Yaqi or Yaqi, however you want to pronounce it. And this is the, I'm going to say it's the Red Devil, and it's the dual open comb razor. I have a Gillette silver blue blade in there. Let's go ahead and warm the razor up. I do have 2 days worth of growth, and I'm not using any Preshave today. So there you go. Now you know. Oh yeah. The soap has some residual slickness there. No surprise that the razor is mowing through it. And I kind of like this razor just because it has some feedback sound to it, which is nice. Let you know that you're mowing through it. Oh yeah. So how was your week? What did you guys do? Anything interesting? I'm just letting you guys listen to the shave. I know some people like to hear the sounds. While other people are just here for the company. And I welcome you. All right, let's get lathered up for pass number 2, across the grain. This does have a nice scent to it. I find that the sandalwood and amber are scents that I do like. Oh yeah. All right. Let's go ahead with pass number 2, across the grain. Uh-oh, my brush is slipping into the bowl. Let me spin the razor around. I remembered my ice cube so I don't have to run downstairs to pick it up. I might have got the soap a little on the thin side, but hey, it's working. One thing I can say about a thin soap is it rinses from the razor really easy. All right, well, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. I am back, and I'm going to do the ice cube for post-shave routine. Oh, that's so nice. And I'm going to use my Lancaster black sheep towel. All right, and I do have the matching aftershave splash, and this is one of those ones that you better give it a shake so you have everything stirred up in there. Oh yeah. It is a pleasant scent. And I'm going to apply a little aftershave balm. All right, well, that is the shave for today. And don't click that button just yet, because here comes my announcement. All right, well, sorry to make you wait for the announcement. I know you guys were just on the edge of your seat. So I was going to announce that this will be my 2,500 subscriber giveaway. And I had to wait till the end of the shave because on my pedestal sink here, I don't have enough room. So I was going to show you what I'm going to be giving away. And so the first thing on the giveaway is going to be the matching set of the Plague Doctor by Razor Rock. And I figured I would go ahead and do this nice little brush from Yaqi. And it's called, I believe it's the Rabbit. But it's a metal handle with a synthetic brush. And I'm going to do this little handmade bowl that has some ridges in the bottom. And there are a couple of little ridges that are broken off, but that's not really a big deal. And the last thing is going to be this Mula, and this is the 89 head. So there you go. Now, I will have to have you like and subscribe in order to participate. And in the comments below, because I have to use a comment picker, random comment picker. I didn't think too far ahead, but let's just say I'm in. And if you're from Instagram, because I'm going to be posting that on here, just go ahead and make your comment following those rules. And if you win from Instagram, please tag me on Instagram showing your winnings once you receive it. I will be shipping US or Canada. Well, that's the shave for the day. I will pick the drawing on next Sunday. So good luck and everybody enter. I will see you on Will It Shave Wednesday.